Question number 146. Downstream processing does not involve, and the options are purification, expression, separation, and preservation. Downstream processing is the name given to the stage after fermentation when the desired product is recovered. So expression, which is the step of biosynthetic stage, is an odd one out among the given options, which is purification, separation, and preservation, which are involved in downstream processing. So the correct answer to this question is option number 2. Let's discuss our next question. Question number 147. Read statements A and B and select the correct option given below. Statement A states, DNA is a hydrophilic molecule, thus it cannot pass through cell membrane. And this is a correct statement. DNA is a hydrophilic molecule and cannot pass through cell membrane. Let's read the second statement. Statement B. Electroporation creates transient microscopic pores in cell membrane, making entry of DNA molecules into the cell easier. And this is also a correct statement. In electroporation, short electrical impulses of high field strength are given, which increase the permeability of protoplast membrane by creating transient microscopic pores, thus making the entry of DNA molecules into the cells much easier. So both the statements are correct. Now let's discuss the options. The very first option is both statements A and B are correct, and this is a correct answer to our question. The next option is both statements A and B are incorrect. This cannot be a correct answer as both statements are correct. The next option is statement A is correct but B is incorrect. This is an incorrect option, and the last option given is statement A is incorrect but B is correct. This is also an incorrect option as both the statements are correct. So the correct answer to this question is option number 1. Let's discuss our next question. Question number 148. RNAi or RNA interference is a naturally occurring mechanism and leads to silencing of genes due to formation of, and the options are double-stranded DNA, double-stranded RNA, single-stranded DNA, single-stranded RNA. And the correct answer to this question is option number 2, double-stranded RNA. As RNAi or RNA interference involves silencing of specific mRNA due to formation of double-stranded RNA molecule formed by binding of complementary RNA molecule to original mRNA, thus preventing translation of the original mRNA. So, it prevents translation of original mRNA. Now let's discuss rest of the options. Option number 1, double-stranded DNA. Option number 3, single-stranded DNA. And option number 4, single-stranded RNA are incorrect as the target molecule is single-stranded RNA. So the correct answer to this question is option number 2. Let's discuss our next question. Question number 149. Genetically modified baculoviruses offer substantial benefits for crop production by commonly infecting, and the options are bacteria, mammals, insects, bacteriophages. Baculoviruses are insect pathogenic viruses. Insect pathogenic viruses that are used for insect control and as tools to produce recombinant proteins. So the correct answer to this question is option number 3. Genetically modified baculoviruses offer substantial benefits for crop production by commonly infecting insects, whereas bacteria, mammals and bacteriophages are incorrect option. So the correct answer to this question is option number 3. Let's discuss our next question. Question number 150. Tumor-inducing plasmid delivers a piece of DNA known as tDNA to transform. And the options are agrobacterium, fungi, dicot plants, mycobacterium. The very first option given is agrobacterium, and this cannot be a correct answer to our question because agrobacterium tumefaciens is a vector for cloning genes in plants by delivering plasmid. This vector invades plants at the site of wound and delivers tDNA into normal dicot plant cells, eventually forming a tumor. So the correct answer to this question is option number 3, dicot plants. Tumor-inducing plasmid or Ti plasmid delivers a piece of DNA known as tDNA to transform dicot plant cells into tumor. Now the next option is fungi and mycobacterium, and these are the incorrect options. And the correct answer to this question is option number 3. Let's discuss our next question.